Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing the use of pointers. So for that I have taken example of pass by value and pass by address. So we'll see the difference between pass by value and pass by address. For that we are taking two variables and exchanging their values x and y. For that we have already discussed functions. So here I am passing two variables to function swap. The name of the function is swap, and as in C we need to declare the function before writing it. Here we are declaring a variable of type void, that is the function is not returning anything. Then swap int x int y. Now we are taking function void main. In this also we are taking two variables a and b. Now a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. So we are calling here swap function. Okay, and then we are printing the values of a and b. Now here is a swap function void swap int x y. In this we are taking two variables a and b, and we are assigning values a x and b equals to y, and then we will exchange now the values of x and y. For this we are taking one more variable t. Now how will we exchange it? T equals to a. Now a's value goes to t, a equals to b, b's value goes to a, then b equals to t. So we are exchanging values of a and b, and let us run this program. So what will be the output? First the execution starts from here, int a b equals to 5 b equals to 10, then call to the function swap. Now what we'll do here, the values of a is 5 and b is 10. So 5 is passed here and b is 10 is passed here. So x's value is 5 and b's value is 10. Now we are exchanging the value with this code and we are printing the values. So what will be the output? A equals to, now it is 10, b equals to 5, and this is inside the function. Okay, once the function execution is completed, the control will again move back to the next statement after the function call, and here we are printing the values of again a and b. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b? A equals to again 5, b equals to 10. So the values are only exchanged inside the function but not in the main, because we have just passed copies of the values and not the actual variables, not the addresses. So at the addresses the values are again same. Now for that we need pointers. Okay, now here we are passing a and b. Instead of that what we'll do, we'll pass address of a and address of b. Okay, simply we'll do this. Now here instead of only x we are taking pointer x, instead of only y we are taking pointer y, and here instead of t we are taking pointer t. Now here we are getting it in addresses. So what happens over here is the value is not passed here, the address is passed. Whatever is the address of a is passed and b's address is passed, and here in pointers, sorry, we have to take here pointers. In pointers we are accepting the values of addresses. So we are passing here address and we are accepting here the address in pointers. Now here we take star p and star p equals to, not star p, only p, t only, or we'll see how to write it. T equals to address of a. Now address of a equals to address of b and address of B equals to T. Now what actually is getting done over here? The values are getting interchanged at addresses. Now A is X, B is Y. This statement is not needed over here. Only we are exchanging the values in addresses. Okay, now let us run the program. Inside the function also A equals to 10, B equals to 5, and even after execution of the function, the control goes back to the main function, and here also the changes are reflected. Hope you understood this program. It's just the part of the pointers. Okay, in pointer we are accepting the value. Okay, then we are exchanging the value at the addresses. That's why whenever we are calling the function back, okay, and going back to the main function, the changes made are reflected even in the variables declared in main. So this was the program for pointers, another program for pointers, and the examples of pass by value and pass by address. So hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment.